let me give you a tour of Garden Court Residences in Arca South. So as you can see here, ito yung perspective ng Garden Court Residences. Once it is finished, tingnan muna natin yung main entrance ng ating estate. Yan. So, ito yung ating Arca Boulevard. Yan, from the main entrance, makikita natin agad yung ating malls. So, ito yung lifestyle mall ni Ayala na soon to open na siya this year, 2025. Yung phase 1 niya. And as you can see here, dito din yung ating Seda Hotel. And yung offices natin dun sa bandang likod. Yan. So, if we continue forward, tingnan natin dito. Dito tayo, yan. Diretsuhin lang natin yan. Makikita natin mas malapit na perspective ng mall. Yan. Ito yung corporate center. And then yung malls natin sa baba. Yan siya. Pasok tayo dito. Yan. This is inside. Yung parang dun sa gitna ng mall, sa pagitan niya. Ito yung perspective niya. Ayan siya. Pwede natin tingnan dito. From the commercial district. Ito, dito tayo kanina. So, ito. Better overview ng front of Garden Court Residences. Makikita din natin yung ating main street, which is actually double the size of Juan Bonifacio High Street in BGC. Yan, and then ito yung ating Alvea projects. And then, again, ito yung ating mall. Katabing-katabi lang siya, oh. So, if this is Garden Court Residences, labas ka lang. Onting lakad lang. Dito ka na sa malls. And that is like a lifestyle mall na, that is like a Greenbelt, which is a lifestyle mall. So, high-end mall siya. Tingnan natin dito sa may Central Park. Yan. Dito tayo sa Central Park, which is pagitan ng Ayala Malls and the Garden Court Residences. Yan. So, another perspective ito. Makikita din natin dito yung mga retail areas din ni Garden Court. So, aside from the mall itself na pwede mo lang lakarin, meron ka ding sariling retail areas kung nakatira ka sa Garden Court. And if you take a look here, yan. So, tapat na tapat niya talaga mismo yung main street. Parang, it's like you have a family park directly outside your residency. And hindi lang yon. So, kasi, unlike dito sa iba, yan. Excuse me. For example, may access din yung Alvea projects natin sa Arca Main Street. So, halimbawa this one, may access yung Alvea projects natin sa Arca Main Street. But, not like the one in front of Garden Court Residences na all around it ay surrounded siya ng park. So, fitness park actually yung nakapalibot sa kanya. Yan. Although this one is East Union Drive, still that is an open space. But, all the way here, hanggang sa likod niya, walang nakatabing ano dyan. Wala siyang katabing building or what. Talagang for fitness park siya na you can go around your place of residency na you can walk around. So, yan. Dito, makikita natin dito, connected talaga yung main street sa ating malls, sa Ayala Malls. And then, papunta siya dito sa Garden Court. Hanggang doon na siya sa Arbor Lanes. So, yung dulo talaga niya, Arbor Lanes and the mall. So, kung makikita din natin from, let's go back dito sa perspective na to. Yan. Titingnan natin, no? parang pinaka-focal point ng estate is the Garden Court Residences na. Yan. There's nothing like this project sa the rest of the estate. Siya lang yung may ganitong feature na parang kinanya niya mismo yung buong part ng Main Street, 'di ba? So makikita din natin dito talagang nasa gitna siya mismo ng estate, and madali mong ma-access talaga lahat ng establishments within you because you're at the middle, or better to say at the heart of the estate itself. And if we take a look at here, makikita natin dito yung 5 buildings. So sa ngayon, yung first 2 buildings pa lang yung nare-release natin, and soon nare-release na natin yung ating 3rd building para masimulan na din gawin yung gym. So ito yung tinatawag na Sky Gym. Yan siya. Oops. So ito, relatively lower din yung ating 5th building, which is hanggang 8th floor lang siya, and may special amenity tayo for Molave and Giho. Sky Gardens yan. Sky Garden yan sa 16th floor. So exclusive yan sa building itself. Hindi ma-access ng iba. Ayan. So thank you.